Hey guys, Flaming Palava 46 here, and today we're going to be doing a video on the Gemmy singing birds, the ones I have. We have the cardinal couple, the bluebird, which I just got today in the mail, and the robin, which I got yesterday in the mail. I bought these two nearly the same day, except the bluebird was a bid, so I had to wait on him. But these are the birds. So let's start out with the cardinal couple. Yes, I am going to do a review on this. This is the cardinal couple. The mouth on the white one the mouth on the white cardinal doesn't work. Otherwise, they work. Let's move that over.
I'd like to build the world a home and furnish it with love. Grow apple trees and honeybees and snow white turtle doves. I'd like to teach the world to sing with me perfect harmony. I'd like to hold it in my arms and keep it company. I'd like to see the world for once all standing hand in hand, and hear them echo through the hills of peace throughout the land. That's the song I hear. Sing it along. Let the world sing today, over and over.
And here they are on chirping. When I got this one was brand new in the box. Anyways, moving on to the other two regular birds, the collection I'm trying to start. We have the robin and the bluebird. The bluebird is generation 1, unfortunately, but it has a few problems. I'll explain them to you later in the video. But anyways, here is the robin.
Rocks in the treetops all day long, hopping and a bopping and a singing his song. All the little birdies on Jaybird Street love to hear the robin go tweet, tweet, tweet. Rockin' robin, tweet, tweet, tweet. Rockin' robin, tweet, tweet, tweet. Go rockin' robin, 'cause we're really gonna rock tonight.
Oh, sorry about that. And here it is on chirping. Anyways, that's Robin. He's in good shape and he fully works. He just has a small tear on him, but he's a Generation 2 Robin. And now, last but not least, the bluebird. He is, here, I'll put him in the light. This is the, let's see if it will focus or not. With a few seconds. It's focusing over here. Anyways, this is the singing bluebird. This is Generation 1 because it has a tear over here, and the bottom is starting to rip on it as well. It's just the back of the head. It doesn't feel hard and crumbly yet, just the back of it. And also the mouth is the rubber to the mouth is also stuck on this, so it can't move its mouth. Oopsies. But it works. This one works too, and this one also came with the box. This is the bluebird. The mouth doesn't work.
My, oh my, what a wonderful day. factual. Everything is satisfactual. Zippity-doo-dah, zippity-yay. Wonderful feeling, wonderful day.
And here it is on chirping. Yeah, it's not moving. Oh, and sorry guys for the poor light quality. I'm in my other room, so it looks fine over here, but it's not that bright on the camera. But anyways, these are all the Gemmy singing birds. Oh, by the way, shout out for Josh for helping me find this one. This was the one I placed a bid on. Josh helped me find it. But anyways, these are my birds, and bye for now.